When we left our story, I was here in the asylum digging into my 2025 Christmas mystery box from Rapido Trains. Among the goodies contained therein, a very nice, superbly detailed little hopper. I say superbly detailed, but for a rather key omission. No trucks, no wheels. Still, such a cool model. So many neat details. I just gotta find a use for it. I thought it might make a suitable little coupe for Tarzan, the oversized rooster, one of a family of oversized poultry that escaped a while back from a top-secret laboratory up north. Once inside the wheelless hopper, Tarzan's DNA-altered feathers reacted badly with the plastic, and it somehow became this possibly French, elephantish critter thing. So I guess no using the hopper for Tarzan. Well, then I thought maybe I could use it to bond with our dogling. Hey, Tully, want to come downstairs and play with trains? Okay, so I'm guessing that's a no. A frequent visitor to the Train Asylum thought maybe this particular model was intended to hop, being a hopper and all. So I tried to fit some springs. It might be time for my medication. And so, with nothing more productive to do, Bobber the Hopper sat beside the H.O. gauge track in the township of Port Grace and watched as the other train cars played their train car games, wondering if he'd end up on the island of misfit toys listening to old Burl Ives records.
I don't know if there'll be snow, but have a cup of cheer.
In the meantime, I emailed Rapido and did the warranty support form thing online in the hopes that they'd send out some wheels, which, to their credit, they did. And I waited, while Bobbers looked on. After a while, I contacted Rapido again and asked when they sent the new wheel sets out, and they told me they'd gone out weeks ago. Canada Post must have thought someone more deserving should have them. Well, the folks at Rapido shared my pain and in solidarity said that they'd send me a new set of trucks and wheels, plus a whole bunch of Rapido stickers, this time by way of a trackable package, which they did. A few days later, the package arrived. It contained, as I kind of expected, the new color-matching wheel sets for Bobbers. As promised, they included, well, rather a lot of stickers. But they also sent something else. A new boxcar. Let's see, USRA single-sheathed boxcar, Central of New Jersey line. Okay, number 20187. Ooh, isn't that sweet? Wow. Well, I must say I was gobsmacked by the customer service ethic that prompted that kind of response. A big shout out to Axels McGurk in the warranty department of Rapido Trains. Not his real name, of course, because I'm not sure he'd be okay with me using it on YouTube. But Axels, you know who you are. Well done. Know that Bobbers the Hopper is very grateful, as am I. So ends the story of the Hopper with the missing wheel sets. Bobbers no longer faces a degrading future as something it isn't, and is now free to ride the rails as it was born to do. May we all be so lucky.